Presenting OnePlus 9 5G smartphone weighing 180 grams with legendary track design engineered to give a premium look. The smartphone is available in Arctic Sky, Astral Black and Winter Mist colors. The phone is available in two variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 128GB. It has dual SIM option so you can carry a single phone around instead of two. OnePlus 9 5G has a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. The OnePlus 9 smartphone is co-developed by Hasselblad with 48-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with free-form lens, 2-megapixel monochrome lens. Also comes with a 16-megapixel front camera to capture your memories in high definition. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform with Adreno 660 GPU. OnePlus 9 Oxygen OS based on Android 11 makes downloading, gaming and browsing easy. This phone comes with Bluetooth Wi-Fi hotspot. Hands-free access to Alexa will make instant connectivity. The smartphone comes with 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts wired charging. Box includes OnePlus 9 5G, Warp Charge 65 power adapter, Type-C to Type-C cable, Quick Start Guide, Welcome Letter, Safety Information and Warranty Card, Logo Sticker, Case, Screen Protector, SIM Tray Ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.